Today I'm doing a quick video on how to solve problems if your washing machine's water inlet. The problem I experienced was that the inlet didn't stop the water from running in after it did its first cycle, or even when the washing machine finished washing. It continuously slowly kept the water running into the washing machine drum. So I'm going to show you how I solved that problem. This particular model was an LG. So what you first have to do is, right at the back there's a couple of screws. The one is over there, and then on the other side there's a screw in the same position. Take those two screws out, and once you've got the screws out, you can just slide the top back. Once the top is slid back, you can just actually take it off. Right. So what you've got at the back here is the water inlet. So that's where it connects to your washing machine. First switch the water off at your water tap and also disconnect the electricity. And what you've got here is where the actual water solenoid sits, which controls the water. Now it could be that your control board is broken, but it's highly likely that it was simply the solenoids that's acting up. So what you do is you take a screwdriver, you just pull this back slightly, and you pop a screwdriver in there, similar on the other side, and those two connectors come off, no problem. Then once you've disconnected it over there, there's a screw over there that you take out, there's a screw over there that you take out, and hey presto, the whole thing just comes out. This is actually the old one that stopped working. That's the new one, slightly different, but pretty much the same. Spec wise it's the same, except for the other one doesn't have this extra piece of metal on the top. This is kind of generic. It's used in Bosch, LG and various other machines and models as well. Then all what you have to do, once the water's switched off, you've taken the screws out, you pull this whole baby out. Obviously electricity is now disconnected. There's a clamp at the bottom over there. You take a pair of pliers, you push the two ends together and you wiggle it off. Similar on the other side, wiggle it off. Then once you've got that, new one in there, push the hoses over those two connections there, take the clamps, take a pair of pliers again, push it open, pop it back in, and just push the whole thing back in again, connect the two screws at the back, and you just do the opposite. You can reconnect the water, turn the water on just to make sure that there's no leaks, and once you're happy there's no leaks, reconnect the poles. You just push these back on again, and that solved my problem. So instead of getting somebody out to fix it, you can try this yourself. I mean, I ordered these online in South Africa for about 120 bucks. The delivery was more than the actual replacement unit, and it's something pretty much anybody can do. So good luck with that.